This video is for targeted case managers to document in Service Capture. Remember, targeted case managers are documenting services for students who are under the age of 21 who receive an additional ancillary service that is considered medical in nature, such as speech and language therapy, occupational therapy, physical therapy, social work, orientation and mobility. To document for students, you can access the calendar in one of two ways: by clicking the calendar icon next to a student's name, or by using the Service Capture link in your toolbar. I've created a Medicaid eligible group, so I'm just going to select that group. Select the student you wish to record a service for. You can record a past service, and you can also schedule a future service. This time I will show you how to record a past service. Select the date which you would like to record the service. Remember, the service must be documented on a school day. The service is Targeted Case Manager, and the service type is Case Management Encounters. You should have received a tip sheet to give you examples of what would be considered a targeted case management encounter. You need one per month per eligible student. In this note, I will state that I coordinated transition planning meetings. Select the area covered. In this instance, I think the best option would be assuring re-eval and follow-up are conducted periodically. This could include, along with coordinated transition planning meetings, it could include contacting service providers regarding the student's IEP progress, coordinating meetings to discuss plan of care progress, and all related preparation. Your tip sheet will be very valuable to you to determine what area is being covered or assessed and what items would constitute as case management. This service was completed in January, so I will check this box. This is an option because you can schedule future services, so be sure that you say that you've completed the case management and hit save. I did not get any errors. If I had any errors, there would be a red message above my service record. So this service looks like it is good to go. If I needed to change or edit something, I would simply hit edit. This can be done anytime until the service is submitted for billing. I'll go through this process again with a different student. I will show you how to schedule a future service. This time I'm going to do both students at the same time. I can hold down the control key to select multiple students. I'm going to schedule the monthly summary. I know that both students will need one at the end of the month. Be sure to use the last school day as a general rule of thumb. This time I selected the service type as monthly progress summary. And the area covered or assessed is also monthly summary. This is information that the students will have in common. The service has not been completed yet. When I go in to work on this service, as you can see, it's peach colored because it is incomplete. When I go in to work on one of these, I will simply double click, or I can right click to open. From here, I will edit the service. I will need to change the group size to 1 because a monthly progress summary is a single solo group size. However, all of the other information is already prepared for me because I scheduled it in advance. I do not need a duration in minutes for a monthly progress summary. I can save that additional information. And then at the end of the month, I will go back in and make sure that I complete the record. Right now, if I tried to do that, I would get a warning. It cannot be considered complete because this is in the future. February 27th hasn't happened yet. So I will deselect and save. Looking at my service calendar, I have 2 services that are incomplete in this peach color. But I have 2 documented services that are complete. Now, these are not eligible to bill because I have not completed a monthly summary. Keep in mind that you must have 1 encounter and 1 monthly summary for each Medicaid eligible student. The important thing to note is you must select a service type that has a code after it for a case management activity. So either T1024 if you've participated in an IEP, or T2023 for case management encounters. Other is not a billable service and is for record keeping only. When you do record your IEP participation, keep in mind that this should be the day and time in which the meeting took place. Record how long the meeting took, and then complete the rest of the note. And your area covered would be IEP. Okay, I got a warning that this is not a valid entry because I did not select the time of the IEP. So the IEP started at 10 o'clock. And now I'm good to go. So Sample has 1 recorded encounter and 1 monthly summary that once I complete it at the end of February, this would be a billable record. Please remember to complete 1 encounter and 1 monthly summary each month for each Medicaid eligible student. Thank you.